Hi, my name is Subrat Priya Ranjan. I am pursuing my BTech degree from Maharaja Surajmal Institute of Technology, and I am in third year, fifth semester. And I joined the PinE Academy to the beginning of the fifth semester, and I joined the foundation course, which is mainly divided between three sections. The first is digital module, Verilog module, and the third one is analog module. So yeah, my experience has been here very different as the training of the Pine Academy is quite impressive. They mainly focus on your practical knowledge, and all the faculties are here are more knowledge and more supportive to us, especially our Vaibhav Misra sir, who is very, I think he's a gem of the Pine Academy and for students. And his teaching methods was very different as he always focus on your practical knowledge, not only for theoretical knowledge. And yeah, all the faculties are very supportive and very interactive. Let's take an example like adder, subtractor, mux. So here is the Pine's curriculum is totally different as firstly they focus on your digital circuits, then they are focus on analog circuit, like how to design the circuits with the help of transistor and register. And yeah, so I think the Pine's curriculum is sufficient for all the students to get placed in product-based companies like HCL, Qualcomm, Cadence, etc. etc. I have to say thanks to Pine Academy to providing me such an opportunity and enhance my life into better version. So yeah, thanks a lot.